Many people like to make money from YouTube on a monthly basis without ever having to show their face. Cash cow channels make this fantasy a reality. In this video, we'll look at a few simple revenue-generating cash cow channel ideas. Cash cow channels on YouTube are one way to generate passive money online by leveraging the power of video. These channels have the potential to generate significant sums of money, maybe in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's define cash cow channels and look at some YouTube cash cow channel ideas. Before you start viewing, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. What are cash cow channels on YouTube? The cash cow YouTube channels aren't new, but their popularity has surged in recent years. The rise of online personalities selling cash cow channel courses has contributed in the growth of this channel type's popularity. Cash cow channels on YouTube are those that exist just to make money. There is no host on these stations, and the majority of the programming is often outsourced. Employees are regularly paid by cash cow channel owners to compose screenplays, collect footage, record voiceovers, and edit videos. They then upload the finished film to their cash cow channel or an assistant. Popular themes are utilized to make videos that receive a large number of views and generate a large amount of ad revenue. YouTube ad revenue is mostly utilized to monetize cash cow channels. They can also use affiliate marketing to increase their earnings to absurd amounts. The goal of cash cow channels is to make money on YouTube without needing to be a prominent figure. They can be successful, but it takes a lot of work to discover success with your ideas and content team. Create high-quality YouTube videos. The following step for any YouTube channel is to create content that will appeal to your target audience. In my opinion, it's best to focus on a specific niche and get into content that they'll enjoy. On my YouTube channel, for example, I enjoy addressing all topics related to online business. As a result, YouTube Premium subscribers, as well as anyone else interested in working from home and creating something of their own, are drawn to this. This is the most difficult component of any YouTube channel, even for the highest paid YouTubers, because no one will view your videos at first. However, I guarantee you that this will not last forever. If you continue to provide content that your audience like, the algorithm will eventually start recommending your videos to them, and they will begin subscribing to you. Increased ad spending inevitably leads to an increase in subscriber numbers. Suggestions for a cash cow channel. Now that you know what they are, let's look at some of the cash cow YouTube channel ideas. These YouTube channel ideas could be the key to the future success of your content. For each of the cash cow channel ideas, I've included a YouTube example of a cash cow channel. Looking at these samples might help you learn about the many types of videos you can create for your channel. Create top 10 videos. The most well-known instances of cash cow channels are the top 10 YouTube channels. The vast majority of these networks are solely concerned with generating cash through audience, and they are wildly successful. Top 10 or top 5 videos are entertaining and have the potential to reach millions of people. It's easy to create a top 10 list. Write a script, then fill in the blanks using clips and narration. You may create top 10 lists on any topic. There are money-making networks that transmit everything from unusual facts to the greatest items in the world to true stories. Create life hacks channels. Life hacks are always a popular video topic, and these channels can earn views for years after they are uploaded. Making a money-making channel out of life hack videos and tips could be your ticket to success. Life hack videos are a good niche because they do not necessitate the presence of a personality. The videos are all about tips and hacks. Create channels about celebrities. Whatever your feelings about celebrities are, they are always a popular topic for content. A celebrity news or gossip channel would be a huge money maker. When adopting this cash cow method, copyright issues must be avoided. You must guarantee that you and your team are creating material that can withstand any legal challenges. Create a luxury content on your channel. Creating videos on high-end items, designers, and spending is an excellent method to monetize your YouTube channel. Because the items are expensive and high-end, the audience is more likely to see more expensive marketing. This generates a lot of money for the owners of fancy cash-chewing channels. Talking about wealthy people and their lifestyles is incredibly popular on YouTube. These videos are easy to make and repeat the same themes again and over. Videos showing what billionaires and ultra-wealthy people buy with their money are quite popular. Create an investing in personal finance channel. You may feel that anything about money need a YouTube personality to anchor it. Yet the personal finance and investing area has plenty of cash cow channels. People will watch these videos if they are made in a clip or whiteboard format. If you have good content or tips, you can create a successful channel in this category. The information does not have to be extremely thorough, and ad costs for this type of content are usually greater than in other niches. Create recipes and cooking advice channels. People are constantly looking for new recipes and kitchen equipment. Thus, culinary guidance and kitchen tips can be a fantastic cash cow channel option. This is a wonderful channel specialty idea to couple with another, such as Top 10, in which you list the top 10 kitchen devices for each use. These films can generate a lot of affiliate commissions in addition to ad revenue. Create facts about animals. Cute animal videos have long been a YouTube hit. In reality, consumers largely utilized YouTube in its early days to watch cat videos. It's no surprise, then, that animal videos continue to be a popular method for people to watch and earn money on YouTube. You may create a profitable animal channel by broadcasting interesting animal facts over stock footage of the animals. It's an excellent way to build top 10 lists and compilations that pet owners will appreciate. Let's talk about how to monetize your content so you can make money. Create compilations-based channel. Compilations are ideal for those who do not want to show their faces or utilize their voices in their YouTube videos. It's wonderful because you'll be putting together videos on a variety of topics using other people's content. These channels can be highly popular and generate a large number of views, but be cautious of the legal repercussions of utilizing someone else's content. There are various copyright considerations to be mindful of while using this style. Eligibility for monetization. Now that you're aware of YouTube's monetization eligibility restrictions, you can probably assess the value of purchasing a monetized YouTube channel instead. You can save time and work this way because the monetization status is active as you launch your YouTube channel. When YouTube allowed any channel to join its partnership program shortly after it opened, people began abusing the system. The platform had to make improvements to verify that the channels were valid. The basic eligibility conditions for the YouTube Partner Program are straightforward. You must have at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months before applying to monetize your videos. In addition, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. You must be at least 18 years old to apply to join YouTube's Partner Program. Once you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you may start making money on your YouTube channel in a variety of ways. Revenue from advertisements. To begin earning money from YouTube advertisements, you must first enable them. As a result, when people watch your films, advertisements will display, and you will be reimbursed. Pay close attention to your CPM data once more. Knowing how much money you may generate with additional views is crucial. Every time someone watches one of your videos, you'll get a little portion of their YouTube Premium account's monthly fee. This isn't a large chunk of money, but it also doesn't need any further effort on your part. Begin creating your merchandise shelf. You could be able to establish a retail shelf on your channel if you have more than 10,000 members. This feature, similar to an e-commerce site, allows you to sell things directly on your channel beneath your videos. This is perfect if, like top YouTube influencers, you have a catchphrase or a saying that resonates with your audience. For example, take PewDiePie and his notorious bro fist. How much money can these channels bring in? These channels earn money based on their location, the topics they cover, and the demographics of their viewers. A channel can earn significantly more than a channel in another third world country just because it is situated in the United States. As a result, your earnings per view are defined by your target demographic. You will earn more if the bulk of your viewers are from the United States than if they are from the Middle East. That's a wrap for our today's video. Hope you have gained some knowledge from the video. If you are having some suggestions for us, do let us know in the comments section below, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.